In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E printer. So the first step is to switch on the printer. Go to the printer display panel. On the panel, click on the menu. Scroll down. Select Tools. Maintenance. Restore settings. You have an option if you just want to reset user setting, if you want to reset the data, or you can just do the restore all factory defaults. So click on the restore. This will erase everything. It will delete all the information and your printer will go back to the initial setup screen. So click on the restore. So this way we can restore the factory default setting of this printer, and you will see the initial screen of the printer. Thanks for watching.